guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to make this sweet little white tree. Now this was really easy and simple to make, just like my other creations. If you want to check out them, you can go to my playlist and it'll have different items on there, from Christmas to lots of things that you can make with sticks and twigs, which I love. But today I'm going to show you how to make this, and it's really sweet. So keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed the video and given you a little bit of inspiration so you can try this out at home. If you've really liked it, give me a like, and if you would like to subscribe to my channel, that would be appreciated too.